channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a simple red sauce pasta which is very delicious and easy. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are, I have some oil, this is 2 tablespoons of oil, some chopped onions, this is half an onion, some asparagus cut into long slices, I have some basil leaves, broccoli florets, these are the baby broccoli, I have a pinch of salt, some garlic, these are the mixed herbs and spices that we can use in pasta, and some Parmesan cheese. I also need some tomatoes. These are 2 boiled and de-skinned tomatoes. I've removed the skin. These are the Kashmiri lal mirch or the red chilies, the Kashmiri ones for the color. I have some mushrooms chopped and some penne pasta. I need to heat the pan and add some oil. Once the oil gets heated, I add the chopped garlic. And the onions and saute them. I'm adding the mushrooms as well. Let it saute for a couple of minutes before I add the other vegetables. So now I'm going to add these broccoli florets and the asparagus as well. Mix everything. So while the vegetables are sauteing, I'm going to make a paste out of the boiled tomatoes and the red chilies. So now I'm going to add these boiled tomatoes into this jar and blend it along with the red chilies to make a fine paste. And I'm going to use this paste in the pasta to make the red sauce. So I'm just going to close this and use it. So now I've blended this, as you can see, and this is how the paste looks. And I'm going to see how much I want to use. So my vegetables have sauteed well, and now I'm going to add some basil leaves. These are the fresh basil leaves, and I mix it for a minute. I also add the mixed seasoning. This mixed seasoning has some garlic powder, oregano, some chili flakes, lemon, salt, etc. And now I'm going to add a little bit of this tomato paste. Let it saute for a minute before we add the pasta. I'm also going to add the salt now. You can see this beautiful red color with some greens in it. And I'm going to now toss in the pasta and mix everything well in this sauce. Red sauce pasta is now ready and I'm going to plate it. So our red sauce pasta is now ready. You can see it's not all that spicy, although I used a lot of red chilies because those are the Kashmiri lal mirch and they're not spicy. So now I'm just going to season it with a little more of this seasonings. That's the mixed seasonings or the herbs. And I put some chopped basil leaves just to garnish. And I have some chopped, Parmesan cheese. Our red sauce pasta is now ready. I hope you liked this simple recipe, and if you did, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Bye bye.